Links help your website in 5 different ways. We'll be going into more detail in subsequent lessons, but I thought it would be helpful to start with a summary of these different advantages.
Firstly, as you learned in earlier lessons, links help the search engines find your site. If you want your site indexed by the search engines, the most reliable way to ensure that happens is to have links on sites that the search engines have already indexed. They'll see those links, then follow them over to your site and crawl and index your site. Next, the links pointing to a page on your site will tell the search engines what the page is about. If a search engine sees a link with anchor text saying, "Buy rabbit hutches here," the search engine can be pretty sure that the reference page sells rabbit hutches. Links also tell search engines how important the page is. The more links pointing to the page, the better. Think of links as votes for the page. But different links provide different vote values. A link from a major popular site is more valuable, in effect provides more votes, than a link from a site that is itself unpopular. Also, the more links pointing to your site, the more frequently it's likely to be indexed. More links means the search engines trip over your site, as it were, more frequently, and more incoming links means the site is more important and thus more worthy of frequent indexing. All these things help your site in the search ranks. Search engines use links to find your pages, learn what the pages are about, and learn how important they are. But there's one more advantage to links, something we often forget about when focusing on SEO. They can actually bring people to your site, which of course is the original purpose of links.